Have you ever encountered someone whose behavior made you question the very essence of respect? We're uncovering 9 toxic traits that Stoicism teaches us should never earn our respect. So, let's embark on this insightful journey together. Trait 1. Arrogance. Arrogance stands tall at the forefront of our list. Ever been around people who radiate a sense of superiority, dismissing anyone else's views as irrelevant? These individuals, steeped in their own self-importance, certainly don't align with the respect that Stoicism values. Trait 2. Narcissism. Moving on, we encounter narcissism. Picture those who orbit around their own self-image, craving endless admiration. Such self-centered behavior starves relationships of the mutual care and understanding that command respect. Trait 3. Manipulation. Then there's manipulation, a trait that sows discord. Manipulators craft webs of deceit to turn situations to their advantage, corroding the very trust and respect we strive to build. Have you ever felt the sting of manipulation? Trait 4. Dishonesty. A society values honesty above many virtues, yet those who weave lies as a habit chip away at the bedrock of respect. Dishonesty creates a world where trust is scarce and suspicion reigns. Trait 5. Lack of empathy. Without empathy, our ability to connect and empathize with others' feelings is lost. People who show a blatant disregard for empathy leave no room for the respect that comes from understanding and shared experiences. Trait 6. Disloyalty. Loyalty, a pillar of trust, is non-negotiable. Betrayal and fickleness are clear indicators of someone who lacks the fundamental integrity deserving of respect. Reflect on the value of loyalty in your relationships. Trait 7. Laziness. Laziness is not just about avoiding work, it's about shirking responsibility and breaking commitments. It's hard to respect those who do not hold themselves accountable or strive to contribute positively. Trait 8. Insensitivity. A lack of sensitivity and compassion towards others' feelings breeds an environment where respect is hard to cultivate. How do you feel when faced with insensitivity in your interactions? Trait 9. Inflexibility. Lastly, inflexibility, the refusal to grow or see beyond one's perspective, stifles not just personal development, but also the evolution of respectful and understanding relationships. Stoicism teaches us the importance of virtues like humility, honesty, and empathy. By recognizing and refusing respect to those who exhibit these toxic traits, we encourage the development of healthier relationships and a more compassionate society. What traits do you find most challenging to deal with? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this exploration into Stoicism and respect insightful, hit that subscribe button and join our community for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay strong, stay stoic, and most of all, stay safe.